My heart is in the venom. You told me that you used to. My heart is in the venom. You told me that you used to matter. Oh, my heart is in the venom. There's something to lose me. Then I walk up to that how you do it. Still it's like I was not into it. But I can't do it forever and I'm in it. That's how to play. Since you got my love on him, you want me to. Ooh, I knew it right there. I love him when I left him. Do it feel like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. My heart is in the me back to the Hannah. Oh, my heart is in the heart is in. My heart is in the he took me back to oh, my heart is in the my heart is in the oh, yeah.
Wow!
Grabe, ang init!
Sa A to Z, we got Chloe San Jose! Hello, Chloe!
Grabe, ang
Hello,
galing
hello.
mo! Sobrang natural yung pagiging ibotero mo, kabutera ka.
That is true. Oo.
Yes, oo nga po.
Before anything else, bumati ka muna sa lahat na nakatutok sa atin ngayon.
Hi, everybody! Hello po, it's Chloe.
From the I Want ASAP stage, here's back now to the ASAP main stage. We're so happy to have you as well. Finally, no? Kamusta naman yung first ever performance mo sa ASAP stage?
Kinakabahan mo eh. Kinakabahan ba yun?
Everyone was applauding you.
Grabe yung confident mo, Pe. Ang galing, oh, grabe, bye.
Pag ano,
Oo nga, kami nagulat kami. Hovan? Diba naman sa kanila ko?
baka susunod,
Siya naman.
kung gusto ni Chloe magkaroon ng collab between Chloe
Yes.
and Maymay.
I think we want that. Do we want a performance from Chloe and Maymay dito sa ASAP stage? I think we
can
all
arrange
want that. Pero speaking about what next, Chloe, we want to ask as well, ano ba yung next chapter of your life? What's next for Chloe San Jose?
Oh no, I don't know, Kuya Edward. I'm just so excited and happy to be here po. Let's see what the future holds.
Oh, but just in case, given a chance, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? You can manifest it.
Please, the collab po with Ate Maymay.
Oh, yan. Gusto mo yung mangyari, no? Well,
Sinabi
Chloe,
mo.
our doors are always open for you. You would love to?
Yes, of course po. At hindi ko naman siya makita sa mga, marami pang performance dito sa ASAP natin to.
That's
Ay,
nice.
Sa
That's
ASAP.
We would love that. We would love to say thank you once again. Palakpakan po natin. Whoa! Jose, maraming salamat.
That's right.
For being here on ASAP. At susunod na,